This weather scope here. We're sort of out of the update desk mode right now. Things are winding down in the northeast. They've done that earlier today, but still pretty good storm in the northwest. You're going to be covering that in just a moment. I'm Gene Rubin.
And I'm Christina Abernathy. And Gene, you're right. We've got a lot of wet weather in the west. Quite a storm system approaching, already having problems with mudslides and flooding. And unfortunately, there's more wet weather on the heels of this storm. Let's take a look at what's been going on, though. First of all, in Oregon. And
taking all its moisture with it. But here comes another little low pressure area swinging down across the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley. Temperatures this time of evening under those clouds are pretty mild, mostly in the upper 20s, even 42, pretty warm there in New York City at this hour. Pretty mild in Denver at 48, rain Seattle at 42 degrees. Let's concentrate on the eastern part of the country where there's a mixture of fog, a little bit of rain, snows. This snow could pile up in some of the mountains here, the Laurel Heights area of Pennsylvania, the eastern mountains of West Virginia, maybe 6 to 12 inches in some cases. Here's a close look at what's going on. Low at the surface, low pressure in the upper atmosphere as it moves further to the south, bringing lots of cold, unstable air with it. You can see on the radar just generally light snow indicated by the lighter green colors. No really dark colors of snow except around Cleveland, Ashtabula County, some snow squalls off the lakes up there. As we look at the potential for additional snow, you can see it here, the heaviest amounts. Right in the mountains there, the ski resort areas, Snowshoe, West Virginia, for example, could get a foot.
Snowstorm that's packed quite a punch. Parts of New Hampshire got more than a foot of heavy, wet snow today. The snow snapped trees and power lines, knocking out electricity for thousands of residents. That same system also cut power to hundreds of thousands of people in Massachusetts, Maine, and Connecticut. Authorities say some of the power has been restored, but it'll take days to complete the repairs. And so power crews from the tri-state area are headed north to help the Northeast utility companies restore power to customers. Action News was in Gray's Ferry today as PECO energy workers were preparing for their trip north. About 25 PECO power crews and workers from Delmarva Power will spend several days in the New England region. They will offer their assistance in repairing those down power lines. Finally caught a break weather-wise today. Here's Cecily with a week ahead from AccuWeather.
Yes, today was gorgeous. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures actually above normal. Now we have a little bit of a system moving through. I want to put a disclaimer on this. Nothing like the system that came through yesterday. Not that much moisture. Nothing like the one that came through Friday. This is relatively weak, and we're just looking at a burst of moisture here and there. Show you on action radar what we're talking about. Here it comes, and you can see, yes, some snow is moving down out of the northwest, but as it gets over the Delaware Valley, it's beginning to melt. I think as temperatures, though, drop to the freezing level, tomorrow morning we're looking at the possibility of a light dusting of snow here and there and a few flurries on and off throughout the day. Satellite 6 showing the cloud cover with this system. You can see some breaks in the clouds. This is an upper level disturbance, not packing as much punch as the storm system that rolled through on Saturday, brought us more than an inch of rain. But this will bring us a lot of clouds. I think more clouds tomorrow than sunshine. And again, don't be surprised tomorrow morning if you see a little snow here and there. I don't think it's going to cause a lot of problems with the drive, but do be careful. Take it easy tomorrow. Fortunately for us, though, we're not looking at any very heavy rainfall. A few scattered showers here and there with the temperatures above freezing, but nothing like what we've been getting the past week. Look at this. We're only through the first week of December, and we've already had close to 4 inches of rain this month. Now, the normal for the entire month of December is less than 3.5, so if we don't get any more rain for the rest of the month, we'll be okay. The call from AccuWeather, though, for tomorrow, expect to see a few flakes flying. Say that 10 times fast. Today's high, 49 degrees. That was 3 degrees above normal. 33 was our low. Wilmington right now 39, Lancaster 32, so there is some snow falling there. In Reading 36 with some light rain, Allentown 35, Trenton 38, Cape May 37 degrees. The action cam out on Broad Street. All set for the holidays. Right now in Philadelphia, light rain 40 degrees, humidity 64%, barometer 29.66 is falling. Winds are northeasterly at 6 miles an hour, the ocean water temperature 45. In Center City 40, the Northeast 32, Camden 37, City Line 38, and the airport 40. The exclusive AccuWeather 5-day forecast. Some showers and snow showers tonight. Again, it should be light. 32 for low. Tomorrow, rush hour, expect to see clouds and a few flurries here and there. 33 tomorrow is going to be windy and cold. The afternoon high 40. Tuesday, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Another weak disturbance, a little light rain or snow, 42. Then things looking better temperature-wise for the second half of the weekend. 48 on Wednesday. Thursday up to 50 with some clouds. Friday, a slight chance of some rain, though. The afternoon.